Hi, I'm Paul Psolka, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 8, Section 3, number 16, which reads, if A is a solution of the equation above and A is greater than 0, what is the value of A? So what we need here is we need two numbers that multiply to give you a negative 12, and they have to add to give you a positive 1. Because if there's no coefficient to x, it's implied that there is a 1 in front of that x. So what I've found, and this is especially helpful for larger numbers, which is when students make a chart, let's say they're factoring negative 12, a lot of times they'll do 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. What I've found is that it's always close to the middle. So if you think, what's the square root of 12? It's going to be between 3 and 4. That's where you want to start. So you want to start with 3. Does 3 go into 12? You know it does. And how many times it go into 12? 4. Now when determining which should be positive, which should be negative, the middle here is a positive 1. So we need the bigger number to be positive. So it's going to be negative 3, positive 4. So in other words, it would factor as x minus 3 times x plus 4. Now one common mistake equals 0. One common mistake here is to say that a equals 4. But remember your last step here. X minus 3 equals 0. X plus 4 equals 0. And then really what you're doing is you're adding 3 to both sides, x equals 3, and you're subtracting 4 from both sides, and x equals negative 4. Now it says that your solution is greater than 0, so it's not going to be negative 4. Notice it also calls your solution A instead of calling it x, but 3 is your solution, so 3 is your A. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble factoring trinomials. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.